Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Ace Combat Error Code 30000065432. The error reads, Application Load Error. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch the game, but instead of starting, the game crashes and displays the error. Many users have reported that this issue started happening suddenly without any changes to their system. According to our research, the error is likely caused by antivirus or firewall interference, corrupted game files, or issues with Steam. The first thing you should check is whether your antivirus is blocking the game. Some users found that even if they added exceptions for the game, the error still occurred. So, try completely disabling your device firewall and antivirus and see if this helps. To test this, completely disable your antivirus and then try launching the game. If the game runs fine, then your antivirus is the cause. If disabling the antivirus does not fix the issue, the next step is to validate your game files through Steam. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Then right-click on Ace Combat and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then wait for the process to complete and then try launching the game again. If the error still appears, restart your PC and check if there are any pending updates for the game or Steam. If updates are available, install them and then try launching the game again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.